Hey love, so I got this package from Profusion and I'm pretty sure it's a bunch of their like new holiday little like stocking stuffer gifts. So I thought I would unbox it with you guys because why not? If you guys don't know about Profusion, they've actually been around for a very long time, but have definitely like been kicking their way back into like the beauty market. They are doing like they're so affordable. I'm so impressed with pretty much everything I've tried from them. I absolutely love Profusion. So I thought I would go ahead and do this unboxing with you, like I said. So we're just going to jump in. Please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Let's do this. Here's the package. Let's see what we got. Going, guys. How doing? How doing? Ooh, girl. All of the stuff. Yay. So let's look through this. I know there's some really fun stuff in here. These are all super affordable. Does it say how much they are? By the way, they are available at Walmart. I'm not sure if Target has them anymore. My Target doesn't have Profusion anymore. I'm pretty sure they've just moved over to Walmart. Then they also have a website, of course. We've made it another holiday season, and as usual, Profusion has you covered. This year, we're bringing you a collection that's perfectly priced and generously giftable stocking stuffers. Exclusive to Walmart, so these are only at Walmart. Each golden package gift is only $3. Seriously? All of these? $3? Girl. Some of these look real good. And in true Profusion fashion, we don't skimp on the quality. Each mini is made with love and high quality performance that you expect. So there's eyeshadow quads, lipstick trio, lip topper, mascara, and eye topper duo. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. This is the Mini Eyes Dazzle, the mascara and topper. Sorry, my ring light likes to reflect off everything. Oh, this looks so cute. So there's a mascara. Let's look at the little wand. I'm excited. So this is a Length Volume Lift Lash Out Mascara. Ooh, that'd be good for like a lower lash mascara. I feel like that wand's kind of small. Sweet. And this is the Sparkling Eye Topper. And of course, it's in a gold, which is perfect for holiday. We all know. Gold. I'm living for the gold always. Ooh, so it's just kind of a... I always have to sniff everything. I don't know why, guys. I don't know why, but I just do. You kind of see it there. It isn't packing a huge punch. I'm not sure if mine just needs to like be mixed up or if it's just kind of... I think it's just a like an eye topper. So it's not going to be quite as opaque, but it's just gonna definitely add that glitter, add that sparkle. It's really pretty though. So today I actually have the glitter liner, the gold one from Profusion. I don't know why I can't speak today. On my lid, just over a shadow, and I live for it. I love their glitters. Super big fan of those. Excited about this guy. I definitely will use both of those. These little gifts are super cute. One of the items is wrapped. I don't think this is a gift though. I don't think this is one of the little gifts. I think this is just something extra. Ooh, girl. Their new No Budge eyeshadow primer. Oh my gosh. I'm excited to try this. I'm always down for a nude a new primer and a nude primer, honestly. Let's see if I can, yep, I can pop it right out of there. Most of their products are literally like $5. Their big palettes are like under $10, like $9.99 or something like that. Probably $9.98 at Walmart. So it kind of turns into pretty much nothing, but it kind of like melts into the skin. No scent. I'm excited to try this. I love me some primers. Excited for this guy. So there are two little eyeshadow palettes. There's a green one and a purple one. I'm gonna swatch the green one. I'm actually vibing this green one right now. She looks cute. It is the Mini Emeralds. I live for an emerald. Emerald is definitely my favorite shade of green. Such cute little packages though, too. They're such perfect little stocking stuffers. This is what the emerald one looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Ooh, that green looks so pretty, you guys. This is a really good little quad. This is what the green quad looks like. You get your bright green, two shimmeries. Ooh, that one looks duochrome. So beautiful. And then a nice transition warm matte. I'm excited to try this. I love Profusion. Plus, if you've just been wanting to try Profusion, this is such a good way to try them. $3 each. Crazy. Now let's look at the purple one. This is what the Mini Violets looks like. Sorry about that reflection. This is what the purple one looks like. Ooh, girl. I'm excited to swatch this. That pinky one looks so pretty. The purple one, that purple shade was a little powdery, but once I like rubbed it in, which you're not going to be applying it to your eye like that anyway, so I think it's going to be fine. But the actual swatch was a little bit powdery, so just tap in gently. So pretty. Girl. Ooh, this pinky one. These are pigmented, like staining my fingertips a little bit, girl. That one is, we'll see. Maybe applied wet might be a better option for this pinky one. There's the purple one. I think that the pigment on the green one might be a little bit better, but the shades in the purple one are absolutely gorgeous. Depends on what you're into, what you like. I feel like, I mean, I'd wear either of them. If I had to pick one, I'd probably pick the emerald one. She's cute, which is surprising. $3 each. I mean, try both. Why not? These are the last two that we've got. We've got a little matte lippy and a lip topper. Let's do the matte ones first. I'm a little more excited about these. I love a matte lip. I love some lip toppers too, but I love a matte lip. And I really like their lipsticks that I have tried. So that's why I'm really excited about these. And these colors look totally up my alley. Sorry, my hair tie, always and forever. Ooh, this is my jam. What shade are you? I like you. Ooh, girl, she cute. This is Swoon. So that is Swoon. So you have Desire, which is the pinky one in the pack. Really cute. I like that one a lot too. Ooh, those would be really cute mix too. I love mixing my lips, you know. And this next one, I think I'm gonna love as well. This one's gonna be really cute mixed with the other nude one, I think. This one is Ballet. Ooh. Oh yes, she's cute, you guys. Those are terrible swatches because I'm swatching with my non-dominant hand. I'm sorry. But at least you get an idea of what they look like. All three of those I would love. They're cute. That's a really good little trio. Once I try them, and if I love them as much as I remember loving them, I need to get a couple more of these little minis because these will be perfect to put in my purse. I'm always carrying lip products around, and girl, you know, like every other makeup lover, I've got like 5 lippies at least in my purse right now. And at least if they were smaller, I mean, I could carry these 3 and be like the size of 1.5, you know? Those are cute. Might be my favorite thing so far, honestly. These lip toppers, I hope you're gonna be able to see the glitter in them. Sparkling lip toppers. By the way, I need to tell you guys, I'm working on merch. I am working on merch. A lot of you guys have been really asking for merch, so if you are and there's something in particular kind of shirt you want or type of item you want, if you want like a tank top, if you want a phone case, if you want, I mean, there's only so many things that Teespring has, but they have a lot of options. I'll try and link it down below. I'll try and put that back in my description box because I did launch a She Cute shirt with like little lashes. It's just like a side one. I don't know, I think she cute. I like basic. So any ideas, I would love to have them. And I'll link whatever merch is available right now down below. This one is Universal. These are going to be really hard to see because they're glosses and they're mostly just like a glitter top coat. I hope you'll be able to see that one. Can you see? Can you? Oh, you can kind of see it. Kind of see it. It's difficult to see, but it's got like little pink glitters in it. It's just kind of a peachy shade with pink glitter. Hopefully these other ones you'll be able to see more. This one is Finesse, which is the darkest one in the little trio. Hot pink and blue, I think, glitters. She's in the center. These are so hard to see. So I'm just going to give you like a close-up of the tube so you can really see it. But of course, it's not going to show up on your lips exactly like it is in the tube. As you can see, it's much more sheer. And it really is just like a little gloss, a lip topper. Maybe this last one I'll pop on. This one, it's called Yas. Of all the ones, of course, I got to put this one on. This one, I feel like I can kind of see the glitter the most. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the glitter. It's the one underneath. It's the one closest to my finger right there, which is really hard to see, but it's kind of a like peachy pink. We'll put a tiny bit of this on just so you can kind of get an idea. I like it. See, it's added a little bit of shimmer. It's really hard to tell though, but I like them. They're cute. All right, so that is the last little guy. All right, love, so that is everything from Profusion. Thank you so much to Profusion for sending over those goodies for me. Again, they are exclusive to Walmart. They're only $3 each. Go check them out if you want to. I think my favorite is the little 3 matte lip kit. I love their matte lips, and I love these 3 shades. I think they look so cute and definitely ones that I would wear. I just touched that. Did you see that? I just touched the gloss. Shannon's a mess. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could. If you want to see any of these little guys in a tutorial, be sure to leave it in the comments so I know. Yeah, and again, give me your merch ideas, your merch wants, your merch needs. All right. I love you guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hello, 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 hello. Not show you my address because I don't need visitors. $3, no joke, into Profusion fashion. Overcast. On my lid, I actually knocked over my lipstick tower. Did you hear that? Oh my gosh. On my lid, I actually have the glitter liner from why can't I speak, Shannon? On my lid, I actually have the glitter liner. Okay. Try and like package and back up. All right, loves, that is everything from Profusion. Why can't I cannot say Profusion today.